Hi, welcome to this talk series on defensible AI. This series will explore the evolving challenges of AI adoption in both personal and professional life. AI agents are proliferating at breakneck speed in both in enterprise and personal life, whether it's a chatbot style app, code generation, co-pilot, workflow orchestration, automation, and any generative application. While they serve a powerful enabler for productivity and execution speed, they carry significant risk. I often say an agent can turn rogue easily, destroying all the wealth and reputation in no time if not governed properly. I am Saurabh Kaushik, product lead Watsonx Data Platform at IBM. To further go deeper, I'll be in next 4 to 5 minutes. I'll be talking about the reasoning and how we can come to the solution using solution like what's the next data platform. While we allow AI agents to access our enterprise data in order for them to be more relevant and efficient, we should know their vulnerability to be rogue. Um, AI agents today are controllable, uncontrollable, untraceable, and sometimes a little too creative to create havoc. Uh, 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 AI agents can expose your sensitive data, bypass access control, and create untraceable outcome with confidence. This is what Gravity has concluded that most of the organization do not trust AI agent adoption that easily. Um, uh, Let me explain my reasoning behind it. As we know, AI agent's brain works based on its planning and its reasoning, and that depends on the LLM, and that is where the vulnerability starts. And LLM, as we all understand, are in certain level of maturity. They have a chances of misinterpretation, hallucination, and many other deformity. And while these are not lesser problem, the new thing is the philosophy. Claude Mythos kind of models poses like no significant ethical challenges in that space. And call to action is you have to govern your agents. To go on the solution side, let's see what are what is the solution for this problem. So first is foremost is you need a data platform where the control plane controls all the actions of the agents. And first and foremost is the establishing agent's identity, which is different from the user, not sharing the same identity or API keys or any access token with them. Second thing is defining the persona, what they can do, what they cannot do. Are they customer care agents where they will read it to certain extent, or or are they very deep internal analytic systems? What they're supposed to do. The third thing is the access policy, what these agents can do in the system from the different level of asset and fine grain control. And thirdly is their the system ability to do the audit on what they did in the system. And I can confidently say Watsonx Data offers a very strong data governance capability within platform. Just to demonstrate this quickly, I'll lay the scenario. This is an AI agent, which is more of a customer care agent, which is trying to get access to the data, customer data, and we will see how platform policy and platform policy control trap understands it, traps it, and then don't allow it, and keep and provides the proof in the system for the later auditability or improving of the system. This is Watsonx Data Platform, and it's a data manager console. There we have created a CBS bank as a schema and the bank customer as a table. And it has got customer details along with this credit card information. And I'll demonstrate to you how we can prevent the agents to not view this information in future. So this is the a cloud agent is trying to access the customer information and see. In this case, it should get you all the information because we have not put any what you call policy to prevent credit card information disclosure. It's connecting to Watsonx Data MCP endpoint, and which is the agentic interface to access the data. Now you can see it will get all the customer information along with its credit card information, because this is a normal scenario. Now we are showing you a Ranger, which is a policy engine integrated with Watsonx data. Here we're going to quickly create a column masking policy for a particular user. As you can see, credit card, we will mask it for agentic identity which is associated with me, and see that, like, if the cloud is still able to look at this data after this change. Now, after policy application, let's see if this cloud agent is still able to get the data, credit card data from the MCP endpoint. And let's wait for a few seconds. Yeah, it's a Yes, it is able to mask it. So basically, it prevented any agent to accidentally get disclosure of the credit card information for the user. With that, and I'm going to also show you quickly the query history, which is a kind of a auditing mechanism in the system. As you can see, I refresh it, I get all the action which are done by the agent, and you can actually do the edit. You can find out what all query was run, what was run, and what was the whole deeper analysis for it. Yeah. With that, I close this demo. As we have seen, governance is not a feature, it is a control plane of AI. Watson Excel data has demonstrated its data governance capability very efficiently, as we have seen. And I look forward you to experiment with that. Uh, with that, I'll close this session. I will be back with more similar session on defensive AI. Till then, have a wonderful day. Bye.